Bitcoin has right now an amazing bounce after we have broken here significant support and also this underlying support at 19,200 where we had the prior all-time high. So and now Bitcoin looks like about to reverse here back to the upside, but this is coming with a catch and we definitely have to talk about this. And if you think that's interesting, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell. And now let's get directly into it. So we have seen Bitcoin breaking down from the $20,000 level, more or less here, into this support area, former support area, so which is now obviously becoming resistance after we have broken it here to the downside. And we had a massive dump here or sell off to the downside all the way down to $18,200 approximately, and from there we are seeing now a small reversal back to the upside. So but the question is, will this now last? Will we directly pump here back to $20,000 and continue to go higher here, or will we see a rejection once we get closer to this resistance zone here, which was former support yesterday? So, and what I believe is when we go now into some higher time frames here, if we go into the daily, then we can also see on the daily it's not looking all too good because we have broken down out of this right angled broadening wedge. And remember guys, what I told you yesterday, the closer we get to the support of this broadening wedge, the more likely it is that we are actually breaking down here. So, and this is exactly what we are seeing right now. So, and if today's candle is not at least pumping to $20,670 and closing above there, then we might be still in for quite a ride here to the downside. So another indication for this is also the stochastic RSI. So here on stochastic RSI, you can see we bounced off the red line, which is the signal line on the stochastic RSI, and then rolled over here. So, and this trend will continue. So that means these two lines will go hand in hand lower if the price action is not pumping here significantly higher today, at least 19, so to change the RSI, it has to pump to $19,900 approximately, but to be confident in that move, it has to break above $20,500, $600 in my opinion. So we could, of course, go here a little bit sideways while the price is doing the same, sideways down, or sideways up. So, but I would still not trust this too much because we could actually go way lower here. So the only positive point that we can highlight here is that this is getting heavily bought up, as we can see right now in this candle here. So, and there's a lot of buy volume coming in, so that means whales are also accumulating at these levels here right now. So, and this could be the final low. I don't want to shout it from the rooftop yet, but it could be the potential final low. If we look here, the low that we had beforehand, the 17,700, and this could be here then the higher low that we were waiting for, 18,200. It's close enough to to think it could be the higher low that we needed to reverse back here now into higher price levels. So, but I am definitely looking at this with both eyes, because I don't trust this as long as we are not pushing here above $20,000, and the stochastic RSI is also moving into a different direction, and also the EMA ribbons giving us here definitely resistance when we want to break here over $20,300. They are coming in exactly at this level, more or less here, also there. So there's heavy resistance above Bitcoin. So if we actually manage to break here into higher levels is questionable, at least for the short term. So what would I be doing on the trader side? So what I would be doing, at least for the short term, what we can do is we could short here from, let's say, 20,100, 20,300. From this area, you could short this to the downside. So, and if it turns against us, it would be not all too bad because we can set a stop loss at 20,000, let's say 500 there. I would set my stop loss around that area here. So if we get stopped out, it's not all too bad. We will not lose too much money. So, but if we turn around on and start to go lower again, then we can make really a lot of money, because I believe then we might go all the way down to the target of this right angled broadening wedge, so which is all the way down here. I had shown this yesterday already, all the way down here between $13,000 and $14,000 would be then the target of that right angled broadening wedge. So, and of course the risk to reward ratio is quite small compared to the rewards that we can bank here on this potential short trade. So when we go here, and then also again back to the 4-hourly chart. On the other hand, for the 4-hourly chart, I have to check this here also on stochastic RSI. Let's see until the RSI is coming in. So we can see right now that this here was most likely a bear trap. So because we see the price pumping back into this broadening falling wedge here on the 4-hourly chart with a target of around $20,850. And here on the stochastic, we have also a lot of room to still pump here into higher levels. So, but like I said, this could be quite short-lived. I'm not jumping here to too many conclusions, and let this pump play out to see to where it's going. And yeah, if the daily is turning around by tomorrow, then I might change my stance. But until then, I would start shorting from the $20,100 level. If you want to scalp this all the way up with a long position, you could definitely do this. So, but I would only do this if we can close this 4-hourly candle in 1 hour here above $19,400. And we see the next candle pumping to the upside. That is still $600 to $800 spread to the upside. So if you trade this with 20x leverage with 1 Bitcoin, you can still make close to a Bitcoin on that potential trade before we hitting here significant resistance on the upper end here. Yeah, and if you want to trade this, guys, don't forget you get still on BYBIT $4,550 absolutely for free using my specific link here, and on BitGet $8,000 in free bonuses with 15% discount on the fees, also only with that specific link. Otherwise, the bonuses that you will get, they will be smaller. And also on BYBIT, they have something incredible right now. If you deposit $1,000 and you trade with this on Ethereum, you get an additional $1,000 for free in an Ethereum position. So you should definitely take advantage of that. The links are in the description below and also in the pinned comment below. Then I want to also talk about an amazing project, guys, that I came across. So, and that is PALMSWAP.org. They have tomorrow their community fair launch. So, and will have their token generation event on the 24th of September. So they have for 3 days the token fair launch. And I did actually an AMA with one of the co-founders, and I pre-recorded this morning because of the time difference that we had. So here you go and enjoy it. Hi, welcome Bernd on my channel. How are you doing today?
Hey Alex, thanks for having me. I'm doing great. A bit sick because it's been super busy as we are shortly before the launch tomorrow, but everything else is good.
I remember you told me that you got sick a little bit. So Bernd is one of the co-founders of PalmSwap, and PalmSwap has tomorrow their fair launch on their own platform on the Palm Pad. And maybe you can tell us a little bit more about this, because I'm sure that a lot of my people in my community would like to take advantage of the fair launch of your platform, and maybe just give also a quick intro about the platform itself.
Yeah, for sure. So yeah, as Alex just said, I'm one of the co-founders. We've been working for around a year now on PalmSwap. It's a decentralized exchange for leverage trading. And we built all the order types that you have on centralized exchanges, like limit orders, stop loss, take profits, market orders, conditional orders. Everything is on chain. And we are going to be the first perpetual DEX as well that integrated an affiliate program. Also, all that is on chain. And yeah, that's it in a nutshell what we've built. And from the 20th of September till the 23rd, we are going to perform a community fair launch. It's not like a classic fair launch where you drop the token contract on the market, and it's first come, first serve. It's basically one big deposit pool, right, where you can deposit BNB. And no matter if you deposit on day 1 or day 3, and no matter if it's 0.1 BNB or 100 BNB, every participant is going to receive the same average price, right? So basically, the bigger the pool gets, the higher the average price is going to be. And we are going to list the following day after the completion of the fair launch. We're going to list with a 2x basically from this average price.
Oh, wow. That sounds interesting. Definitely. I'm sure a lot of people that are maybe considering to become an affiliate of the platform. I know I hit this question before already, because everything is on chain. Is it possible for other people to see how much commission is somebody earning on their wallets? Because it's like on chain, so you can see it, you know, what somebody is actually making as an affiliate.
Yeah, I mean, the only way this is possible is like if you're revealing your wallet to somebody else, right? But then because you can track literally everything with that. But from our platform, all the referral links are encrypted and all the referral links are already available. So basically, once you connect to the launchpad, you can already invite people to our token sale. Tomorrow, you will already have the opportunity to earn extra Palm tokens. And everybody that you have invited to our token sale is as well going to be already an affiliate afterward, and referral on our platform on DEX afterwards. And you can earn between 20 to 40% also on the trading fees as a kickback.
Oh, wow. That's actually a lot. I don't know a lot of platforms that are giving that much on trading fees back. Another question that I got was, is there any KYC? Is there any two-factor on the platform, even though it's a decentralized platform? Because some have like kind of mix, you know, so, and some people were not worried about this.
Yeah, so basically, as I said, we are 100% decentralized, 100% non-custodial. That means users don't have to trust a third party and have all-time access to their funds. Even if our interface would disappear, we can access funds over the smart contract. And there's no KYC, no registration. All you need is a MetaMask account, and that is it, right? MetaMask account and some BNB in order to for the transaction fees, right? For the gas costs, but that is it.
Yes. So another question that I got was if you have your own order book on the platform or if this is provided over the LP function.
Actually, neither. The way it works on our on-chain model is we're using a DVM model, so a virtual automated market maker, and everybody knows an automated market making model from PancakeSwap and Uniswap, where you have the liquidity pools, and a VAM model is basically a virtual model on that. So every user that trades on the platform has to deposit collateral, right, into a smart wallet in order to trade. So, and our VAM model is using this collateral and adjusting the slippage, the spread, and so on, based on how many traders are on the platform, how much volume is traded, and so on. We will have an order book on the second version of our exchange because we're building a hybrid as well, where the onboarding is as well going to be on-chain, but all the execution is going to run over centralized order books then. And this then, of course, we can accommodate the much bigger traders, lower slippage, faster speed. But of course, it's not going to be 100% decentralized anymore. So there will be two different versions of the platform very, very soon. And yeah, the on-chain model is the focus right now and is ready already.
Awesome, awesome. So what's the token utility of Palm itself?
So multiple, actually, and I think this is really important. First off, you can stake our token in order to decrease the fees on the platform. So basically, the more tokens you stake, the more discount you're going to get on the trading fees on the platform. Then for everybody that wants to take use of our affiliate program, you can stake the token as well. And the more tokens you stake, the higher the affiliate commissions can get. And as I said before, for every user that uses the platform, it's from 20 up to 40%, right? Another thing is you can stake the tokens as well. You have to stake the tokens to participate on further project sales on our launchpad. And yeah, these are the three main utilities that we have inside. And other than that, we have trade to earn. So basically people can earn Palm tokens by trading on our platform, plus 50% of the trading fees that are accumulated on the platform we're going to use for buyback and burn. So we will steadily and continuously buy back tokens from the market and burn them. Like this, we lower the supply, we take away sell pressure as well from the market, and the rest goes to insurance pools and protocol operations.
Amazing. So, and what is the roadmap looking like? What is the plan for the rest of this year and next year for PalmSwap?
Yeah, I think let's just do this year because it's already a lot that's planned. So
Okay.
20 till 23rd of September is the token fair launch basically of ours on our own Palm pad. On the 24th, we're going to TGE. That's what it's scheduled for. Within the first 30 days of TGE, we will also list on the first centralized exchange. On the 1st of November, we're going live with our DEX on the public mainnet. And yeah, everything else that's scheduled afterwards is like a cross-chain functions, basically on a second chain, the launch of V2 as well of our platform. And that is all scheduled for the first quarter of next year. If we are really fast, maybe we can even get some of that done end of the year. And as well, quarter one of next year, we will already launch the first additional projects on our launchpad.
Oh, wow. That there are exciting times definitely ahead for PalmSwap.
Yeah.
Yes. So thank you so much, Bernd, for taking your time. I know you have to run to a lot of other AMAs that you still have in the next upcoming days for the fair launch. But thank you so much for coming here on the channel. I hope we will see you again and see you then on the next one.
For sure. And thank you very much for your support. And I hope to see many of your community as well supporting PalmSwap.
Yes. There you got it, guys. It's really an amazing project. I'm also invested in this. And I'm quite sure even in this market conditions, they will do quite well as a perpetual DEX, which is the first with their own affiliation system. I would definitely use that on a daily basis once they are launching. Guys, that's it already for today's video. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and see you then again tomorrow.